Hello dear friends, welcome to the class. In this class, we'll be understanding about Pro Boolean operation, and we'll understand what is the difference between the Boolean operation and Pro Boolean operations. To understand Boolean and Pro Boolean, we will just make a small example. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to make one plank of block. In this, I'm going to make some cylinders which will be actually crossing the block. So you can go in and check in the front view, and you can put this cylinder a little bit inside, and to understand better you can change its color also. You can put some light shade. So this cylinder, I am going to copy it 2 times. So this is a cylinder which is inside the block. I'm going to copy this whole thing at this place, and I'll make you understand what is the difference between a Boolean operation and Pro Boolean operation. Now for example, if I want to subtract this cylinder from this block, I'm going to select the block, I'm going to go to the compound, I'm going to select the Boolean operation, and in this I'm going to select the option subtract, and I'm going to select the operand B. So the moment I select the operand B, you can see the hole has created. If I go again and select the operand B from this point, you can see that the hole will come here, but this hole will get filled. Again you will see that if I go to operation B and select this operation, you will see that this will get filled and this will be again a hole. So in order to avoid this, you have a Pro Boolean operation. In Pro Boolean operation, what exactly happens is that you are going to delete objects at once. So I'm going to go to the Pro Boolean operation. In Pro Boolean operation, I'm going to select the box, and I'm going to go to the Pro Boolean, and I am going to select the option subtract and start picking the object. The moment you select, you can see that you have started creating a hole at once. So this is the basic difference. The Pro Boolean allow us to subtract at once all the object together. I hope you have understood the practical. If you have any doubt, please do ask, and thank you for joining the class, and have a good day.